Hello everybody, welcome to Eat and Explore. This is Chani, and here on July 1st, all Canadians are celebrating anniversary of Canadian Confederation. That is a National Day of Canada, a federal state holiday for everybody. Mostly, the celebration includes fireworks, parades, barbecue, concerts, carnival, picnics, but due to COVID restrictions, we are only going to see fireworks in this video. As you can see, we are currently in Edmonton and the fireworks were planned to be set off over the beautiful river valley at 11 p.m. Everybody was waiting for the fireworks. It was surprisingly beautiful to see so many families coming together to celebrate this day. Why? Because this country has given us so much to be grateful for. Millions of people from around the world have chosen Canada as their home. Millions are born into such luck. And the most beautiful thing is that you can come here from anywhere in the world, build a good life, and be part of a community. We don't care where you're from, what religion you practice, whom you love. You're all welcome into this beautiful country. So happy 154th birthday to you, Canada. I will forever be grateful to call you my home.